Module will discuss a history of network telemetry, Versa Analytics and network telemetry today, an introduction to Versa Analytics, how and where is analytics deployed, what analytics provides, and what analytics does not provide. Network telemetry is defined as network data collection and consumption techniques. Network administrators rely on these techniques to help them understand the health of their networks. Traditionally, network telemetry has been achieved with either a pull or push method. Pull methods include pulling the devices for status information on various components. This is typically used for statistical data where data is sampled at intervals. Push methods is when the appliances send information such as logs or events when an action occurs in the network. This is reactive in response to something. Events are things that happen in the network, such as configuration changes. Alarms represent a fault in the network. Statistics are useful information about consumption. The push model is still relevant in modern networks using the same mechanisms. Although over the years, these techniques may have improved to address specific deficiencies, for example, changing to IPFix over syslog. However, the pull model has historically been SNMP based. SNMP has been in use for over 30 years and is not robust enough to monitor high-performance networks. It can be very resource-intensive to do the polling. Current telemetry systems provide a huge amount of data, but they don't provide analysis or insight into the data. Versa Analytics provides network telemetry information. This data is aggregated and analyzed to provide insight into patterns and behaviors. This information is grouped into dashboards which make it easy to find data. Versa Analytics is typically deployed as a head-end component in a data center. It has heavy requirements for storage, compute, and memory, and must be deployed on data center-grade server infrastructure. Versa Analytics can be deployed in standalone or cluster mode. In the standalone mode, all analytics personalities, such as the analytics and log collector nodes, are run on the same hardware. This is a self-contained deployment commonly used in proof of concepts and lab environments. In cluster mode, Versa Analytics runs on 4 servers, 2 analytics nodes and 2 search nodes. This is the minimum configuration for cluster mode, and it's typically deployed in production networks. This configuration provides the capacity and resilience required in a production network. Versa Analytics can be run in a variety of form factors which include bare metal servers, virtual machines, and cloud instances. Versa recommends to run analytics in bare metal servers. This is due to the fact that hyperthreading must be disabled at the host level. Because of this, CPU oversubscription and other typical benefits of virtualization do not create an advantage. Versa Analytics is a big data-driven visualization and insight tool that holds historical data. It also performs correlation to ensure that various log and data generated by an SD-WAN network is analyzed and presented in a human-friendly view. Versa Analytics has dashboards with graphs and charts that are populated to show the various information about the state of the network. Although Versa Analytics is presented in a single pane of glass on the Versa Director, it is actually a self-contained system with its own GUI which may also be accessed directly or exposed to the customers who do not have access to Versa Director. The scalable architecture of Versa Analytics allows it to grow as the SD-WAN network grows. Versa Analytics provides the ability to perform trending and make computational analysis of future states of the network. Versa Analytics performs a heuristics collection of both networking and security components. It's important to note that analytics provides a near real-time experience that is typically 5 to 15 minutes behind the actual events. However, the information stored in Versa Analytics can be searched over a date or time range. It also has the capability to link various logs together as part of a single event. For example, if a firewall rule has also invoked LDAP authentication, URL filtering, as well as antivirus, then Analytics provides a view that shows the separate logs in a single linked view. Versa Analytics supports integration with third-party collectors and SIEMs. It also supports log exports to long-term archive storage. It has a northbound REST API interface. Just like the rest of the Versa family of software, it's built from the ground up for multi-tenancy and full role-based access control capabilities. Versa Analytics uses dashboards to display logs and statistics. The dashboards provide an aggregate view of various parameters of the network, and these are computed over any date range or time interval. The charts and graphs make the data more informative and create an enhanced user experience. In addition to the dashboards, Versa Analytics provides access to all of the logs that have been sent to Versa Analytics. The logs are real-time such that logs or events are displayed as soon as it's triggered in the network. These logs include alarm logs and fault monitoring capabilities. Versa Analytics can provide a lot of insight into your network, but there are some things that it is not designed to do. First of all, it is not a real-time statistics monitor. Versa Director monitors statistics in real time. Versa Analytics stores historical data. Versa Analytics is also not a weather map. It does not provide a moving animation of the past state of the network. You cannot replay an event in Versa Analytics. However, you are able to query Analytics to view such events. While Analytics provides some correlation capabilities which make it easy to identify an event, it is not a full SIEM appliance, and therefore it cannot be used to receive logs from black boxes. It can only receive logs from Versa appliances. Versa Analytics cannot be used to create real-time alerts and notifications based on a condition. This is a function of Versa Director. In this session, we discussed how Versa Analytics is a big data-driven visibility and visualization tool. We discussed where Versa Analytics is typically deployed, and we discussed what Versa Analytics does and what it does not do in the network. In this module, we'll